Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tools. Install 3utools and the Apple driver, then connect your iPhone with an original cable. Once connected, unlock the phone and tap Trust. Make sure iCloud backups are paused so no sync interrupts the process. In 3utools, click Toolbox, then Battery Life to read current capacity and cycle count. You're not guessing, you're measuring. This first readout tells you whether calibration or deeper repair steps are needed next. Now you act on the data. Run the battery life scan and record design capacity versus current capacity. That percentage drives your decisions. If firmware mismatches or sensor errors appear, use 3utools flash feature cautiously. Select the correct iOS pack and tick Retain User Data when possible. Don't flash incompatible builds. For simple calibration, perform one full charge to 100%, then discharge to about 1–2% and recharge. This helps the battery meter sync with actual capacity. Finish by rescanning battery life to confirm any capacity improvement and to check cycle count again. Write down the new values for comparison. If readings didn't improve, examine battery voltage and temperature. Abnormal values suggest hardware wear and likely replacement. If 3utools errors occur, reinstall Apple drivers, restart the PC, and reconnect. Make sure you use the official iOS package when flashing. If problems persist, stop and consult a repair technician to avoid further battery damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.